So here's Cal AI app upgraded. So I just upgraded it just for you to see if it's worth for you to use it. In many countries, it's in top charts right now. Uh, yeah, it's one of the top AI calorie tracker apps. Just answer lifestyle questions to build your plan, and then you get offered either like paid plan or paid plan with a free trial. There is no free option. Then you just snap a photo of your meal, get your nutritional breakdown. Kalia will help you get there with less time spent than anyone else. We aren't another complicated diet app. We want to empower everyone to be confident in their bodies with minimal time spent that you have to work hard. We will support you and give you the tools and information you need. So yeah, I will just show you how exactly it looks like. And so here you have it. So again, this is an app on a free trial on a yearly plan. So this is kind of upgraded app. This is what you can get in here. So I entered my height, my weight, like 84 kilograms. I want to have like, for example, 79. And then you need to upload a food. So you can just log exercise, food database, save food or scan food. So we can capture the full meal, have the full ingredient or use the barcode. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just show you, for example, how it works. So scan food. Let's see if it identifies from this image. So for example, I just had some pasta in here. And then 1 day streak. So now you have like, okay, pasta dish. I had pasta for dinner, 600 calories, 20 grams protein, 75 gram carbs, fats, 25 grams, health score, 6 out of 10 ingredients. Then you can just edit number. You can tap to fix results. So for example, you can just do it with the prompt and then just tap done. You can see that it's you have left, this is the amount of calories you have left, and you just super easily scan every food you intake, and you just know, for example, all right, I had like supper and then I have 0 calories left. So if I wanted to have like ice cream in the evening, I shouldn't do it because it will be over my calories, and then I will gain additional weight. So that's kind of super easy to do it. And then you have your progress, last weight. You can track your goals. You can see your BMI in here. So that's the idea. Then you can just log exercise in here. So for example, I had running, 15 minutes run. So 418 calories burned. So now I have 1760 left, so a bit more because I burned calories. So that's kind of stuff like that. And then you have save foods. You can save food from your food database. You can also, and from here, and then for example, all right, just so I had classic avocado toast in here, and then you can see then now I have less of this. So this is kind of the idea of this app. Super easy to use. It's not complicated, that's true, because a lot of these food login app are super complicated, super hard to use. So this is not that. And then you can enter your name, and then you can just enter your name in here. So earn $10 for each friend referred. So here is share your promo code to your friends. Earn $5 per friend that sign up with your code. So here's my referral code for Cal AI. Pretty cool. So feel free to use it. My referral code is FAMQEV. So that's basically the idea. Feel free to use that in here. I'll just copy it for myself. Yeah, pretty cool. I don't know whether you get in something, but you can enter this code when you create an account with Cal AI. So that's the idea. Then here you can adjust your auto generate goals, adjusted weight history, appearance, light or dark, live activity. You can also add that. Show your daily calories and macros on your lock screen and dynamic island. And yeah, disable recalculating macros. I don't know, toggle on to manual set calories when editing food. Widgets, you can add widgets, and then you can also delete your account. But remember, when you still have active subscriptions with Apple, if you delete your account, your subscription is not canceled, so you still need to cancel your subscription. So that's just what you're getting. But I guess this is one of really well-made apps, one of the top calorie tracker apps. I had tried a lot of those. You can see on my YouTube channels, like dozens of these kind of apps. This seems to be quite easy to use, because other apps in this category, they just have like 20 tabs. Like you just get lost in that. Here you just easily have this plus button and you just add food or add exercise. So super easy. And then you have analytics. So super dumb and kind of nicely dumb app. I don't want to spend like, time on figuring out all the buttons. So if you added this app to your routine, it can actually bring you some nice results. I guess like it can stop you, of course, if you have the willpower. It can stop you from like eating a lot of like extra food. Like if you're like kind of not hungry, but then you just I still want to eat something, and you just log everything in this app and see, okay, I don't have any calories left, I really should push myself not to eat more. And then you just quite sure like this is exactly what you had. Or you're not sure what food to order in a restaurant, you can also scan it. You can also kind of log it, try to search it in food database and see how much calories is that. So that's basically the idea of the app. Some people say it's actually okay. People say got charged during free trial, it costs money. So yeah, the downside is they don't have like limited free version. Nope, they only have like paid version and free trial. Free trial is only on a yearly plan. But they also have some nice deal discount. If you do not upgrade on the first time, you can get like a yearly deal for like $20 per year or something like that. So it's much cheaper. So if you want to really use this app, do not upgrade on the first pop-up when you see it in the app. Cancel it, and then you will get a deal, nicely yearly deal without the free trial if you really want this app. So if you want to try AI calorie tracking, this is one of the best apps right now on the market. Yeah, I would say that. So try it out.